2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 26,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Take home the car of your dreams today.